Hey guys, in this video I will show you how you can fix easy anti-cheat error code 3005. So without further ado, let's get started. Quite easy to fix. First of all, what you need to do here, you need to open up a file explorer here. Then you need to go to your PC, this PC. Then you need, usually it's on disk C, program files at x86, and then you need to look for easy anti-cheat folder and easy anti-cheat EOS, right? So first look for easy anti-cheat and press view, show, make sure file name extensions is enabled, and look for sys file. If you don't see on easy anti-cheat, then go to easy anti-cheat EOS, and then you need to look for sys file. What you need to do here is to right click on it and delete it. If for some reason you cannot delete this file, make sure the game that you're trying to run and getting this error is completely closed. Also go to Task Manager and then look for this exe crashpad underscore handler.exe, and if there is this thing is running, just disable it or end the process. And then you just need to restart your computer after you delete this file, run the game that you should, like you normally do, and then look if the problem persists. If the problem persists, then go to core isolation here, and then make sure kernel mode, hardware, and forced stack protection is disabled. Reboot your computer and your issue should be fixed. That's pretty much it. If I help you out, please press like and subscribe for more. Take care. Bye.